There's currently an unpatched Cash App glitch that I know literally hundreds of people are absolutely cashing out right now. So I don't understand why you're not already on it. So just to do you a favor, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you exactly how to do this glitch. And the best part about it is that it's 100% legal, and it's actually using a secret feature that Cash App themselves endorses. But we're gonna be going ahead and using this feature to make us a ton of money. So let's go. In today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys an unpatched Cash App glitch that could literally make you $1,000 a day. I know this for a fact because I use it myself, and the only other thing that's a fact is the fact that for some reason you're not subscribed to the channel, so make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button because we are so close to 15K, and with that all being said, guys, we're just gonna get right into it, but as always, thank you for watching. The first thing you guys are going to want to do to make this glitch actually work is go to the first link in the description and click on the Cash App link. And provided that you have not already installed Cash App, go ahead and click Get the App. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to link a new bank account and then send someone $5. This is obviously going to be super easy because all you got to do is just find one of your friends and family members that already has Cash App, send them a quick $5, and then you will get a free $5 added to your Cash App balance. And then what you can do is you can actually create multiple Cash App accounts and continue to use this same method to keep getting free money. As you guys can see right here, I have done this with all of these different accounts right here. I've been able to get $5 from every single one of these accounts. And using this method, as you guys can see from the top right here, I've been able to cash out almost $900. And the best part is that the more that you guys do this method, the more money that you will make. So the only thing that you're missing is not going ahead and starting right now. If you have already installed Cash App, and if you have installed Cash App within the last 2 weeks, what you can do is you can go to the top right, scroll all the way down and hit enter referral code, and then enter in the same referral code that I have in my description, which is going to be JKR1LGR. After you go ahead and do that, you will get the free $5 added to your Cash App, provided again that you go ahead and link a bank account and send someone $5. Which, if you've created multiple Cash App accounts, you can just send the money between your different Cash App accounts. This is obviously the easiest way to make money currently right now using Cash App because it requires literally no setup, and it's abusing a secret feature that Cash App has implemented themselves. But currently, they are probably going to get rid of this feature because too many people just like me have been making way too much money off of it. So if you guys want to be part of the 1% of action takers that actually take action on the advice that I give them, because unlike every other channel, I'm actually giving you guys real value on how you can go ahead and make completely free money online, then make sure to go ahead and sign up and not be like the 99% of loser bottom feeders who are just going to watch this video and click away. After you go ahead and sign up with the code and you use it a couple of times, what you can then do is that then you can go ahead and click this Get $5 button at the top of your Cash App. And you can go ahead and invite your friends where you will then be able to go ahead and get $5 each, provided that they do the same steps that I taught you today. All you need to do is just go ahead and put in whatever their phone or email is right here. And then obviously you can repeat the same process, and you can go ahead and create your own Cash App accounts to go ahead and then send the code to, and then keep going. Even better than that, I would highly recommend you guys go to the Addapol sign up in the description down below and go ahead and sign up for Addapol. Addapol is a super easy money-making app that you guys can use to literally cash out. As you guys can see, I've made hundreds of dollars using Addapol, just filling out some super easy surveys. All you gotta do to go ahead and get a free 50 cents just for signing up to Addapol is either sign up with my exclusive link, or after you go ahead and download Addapol, go to the top right over here, scroll all the way down to where it says enter referral code, and enter in my code, which is gonna be JCCGC. As you guys can see right here, over 700 of you have already signed up to Addapol using this exclusive link, which they have all been able to go ahead and get a free 50 cents just for doing that. While you guys are at it, also go back to the description and install Eureka. Once you guys go ahead and install Eureka using my code, which is 8UXHGY, you will go ahead and get a free 25 cents and a free $1 survey just for signing up. As you can see, I've had 700 people do the exact same thing, so there's no good reason why you shouldn't be able to as well. Now, if you guys want to learn the Cash App glitch that I can't actually be showing you on YouTube, I would highly recommend going to my Xavier's Kitchen link, and then go ahead and check out my Cash App glitch page. As you guys can see, we are 5-star rated, and with this exclusive method, I'm going to go ahead and teach you how to literally double your money with Cash App. It's very, very cheap. It's literally the cheapest I could have made it, and it is using a completely legit method to go ahead and double your Cash App balance. It's a method that I've personally used quite a bit to go ahead and make a ton of money, and it's a method that I know that you could also make a ton of money as well with. Plus, while you guys are at it, go ahead and check out the rest of the kitchen store. I have a guide on how to get completely free Apple products. I also have in my ultimate reselling course, where I'll go ahead and teach you how to make literally 10K a week reselling things like AirPods, electronics, and even Stanley tumblers now, as well as also how to get free unlimited DoorDash. And if you guys enjoyed all of that, make sure to go ahead and finally check out my Patreon. As you guys can see, we currently have 93 total members, and I'm actually gonna cut off the Patreon once it hits 100 members, because all of the methods that I have here are too good. Linked, I have every single one of the methods that I've ever made, which includes the CashApp method, which includes the free DoorDash, which includes the free MacBooks. I also have how to get a free Hellcat with credit. I have business funding explained. I have a full course on how to go ahead and create YouTube videos. Also, how to get yourself a $60,000 personal monthly credit limit. So if any of that sounds interesting, we're currently having a limited time sale on the Patreon that's only going to be very limited time. Plus, I'm only allowing another 7 people into the Patreon. So if you guys want to go ahead and sign up for that, I would highly recommend you guys do that in the description down below. With that being said, guys, we have in fact hit the end of this video. So if you did enjoy it, make sure to go ahead and subscribe as well as liking this video. And with that being said, we're just going to call it right here. But as always, thank you so much for watching and hope that you have a good day.